Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature on your Casio G-Shock GBX100 watch. This is pretty common to most other Casio watches that have a Bluetooth connection. The negative about this one is you don't have any hotkeys you can use to find your phone. You have to go into the menu. We're going to do that by pressing and holding the top left button. It doesn't matter which screen or view you're on. If you press the top left button, it will take you into your menu. Once we're in our menu, we can use either the up button or the down button. I'm going to use the up button. We're going to go until we see the option for Phone Find. When you're on it, you're going to simply press the top right button to go into that setting, and you'll see two different options, execute or cancel. Now, the only way this is going to work is if the watch is not in airplane mode, nor is your smartphone in airplane mode. That Bluetooth connection has to be stable in order for this feature to work. I'm going to go ahead and press the top right button to execute. And you can hear it's found my phone. I can press any button to cancel, and then I can simply press the back button to go back to my main timekeeping screen. Anyway, that's how the Find My Phone feature works on the G-Shock GBX100. I hope the video helped.